Okay, so what does a 72-year-old fruitarian-based diet person have for lunch? Today I'm having some mamey sapote, a great fruit. Notice how wrinkled it is and soft it is. And that's the biggest mistake that people make when they get some tropical fruit. They eat it before it's ripe. And then they're like, oh man, yeah, I tried that mamey, I didn't really care for it. That's because it wasn't ripe. When you eat this stuff ripe, oh man, it's like the best sweet potato you've ever had in your life, but it hasn't been cooked. And it's sweeter than a sweet potato. It hasn't been cooked. The water is in there. And typically when people get one that's ripe like this, if I give them one like this, my friends, their reaction will be something like, wow, I could live off that. And that's the truth. You can live off this, okay? You can. And you should try to live off fruits in general, is what I'm saying. So today, what I'm going to do with this, because when you mix this with bananas, you get like a nice gelatinous type, jelly-like, pudding-like sauce. And I'm going to use that as my base, and I'm going to have some strawberries and blueberries in there. And that's my fruit bowl lunch. A lot of calories, a lot of calories. I usually go for 1,000 to 1,200 at lunchtime because I need a lot of calories to get me through the day. So I'm out here next to my mango tree. The little mangoes are starting to pop up. I've got the orchids. My wife loves these. We've got some magenta orchids back there, if you can see them. This one's a beautiful white one. So let me blend that up and I'll show you what that's like. All right, I've got it all blended up here. What a beautiful sight to behold. This stuff is like pudding when you mix it with the bananas. I only had 5 ripe ones today. So that's something that, you know, if you want to become raw vegan fruit and eat more fruit, you have to really stay on top of your bananas. So I usually buy cases, so I have a constant flow of ripe bananas. But today, see, I'm running low. I only had 5 ripies. So I've got to get more bananas today. But there it is. That's the lunch. It's close to 1,000 calories, maybe not as much, because I added a little shredded coconut. And I love these lunches. Lunches, my favorite. But please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, post any questions or comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you. All the best. Fruit up, baby.